50 languages.
21.
21.
21.
Discuții 2.
Small talk 2.
Small talk 2.
De unde veniți?
Where do you come from?
Where do you come from?
Din Basel.
From Basel.
From Basel.
Basel se află în Elveția.
Basel is in Switzerland.
Basel is in Switzerland.
Pot să vi-l prezint pe domnul Müller?
May I introduce Mr. Miller?
May I introduce Mr. Miller?
El este străin.
He is a foreigner.
He is a foreigner.
El vorbește mai multe limbi.
He speaks several languages.
He speaks several languages.
Sunteți pentru prima oară aici?
Are you here for the first time?
Are you here for the first time?
Nu, am fost deja anul trecut aici.
No, I was here once last year.
No, I was here once last year.
Dar numai timp de o săptămână.
Only for a week, though.
Only for a week, though.
Cum vă place la noi?
How do you like it here?
How do you like it here?
Foarte bine, oamenii sunt drăguți.
A lot. The people are nice.
A lot. The people are nice.
Și peisajul îmi place.
And I like the scenery too.
And I like the scenery, too.
Ce sunteți de meserie?
What is your profession?
What is your profession?
Sunt traducător.
I'm a translator.
I am a translator.
Traduc cărți.
I translate books.
I translate books.
Sunteți singură aici?
Are you here alone?
Are you alone here?
Nu, soția mea, soțul meu, este de asemenea aici.
No, my wife, my husband, is also here.
No, my husband is also here.
Și acolo sunt cei 2 copii ai mei.
And those are my 2 children.
And those are my 2 children.
Te rugăm să accesezi www.book2.de pentru a downloada cea mai recentă versiune și pentru a vedea textul.
50 languages.
22.
22.
22.
Small talk 3.
Small talk 3.
Small talk 3.
Fumați?
Do you smoke?
Do you smoke?
Înainte, da.
I used to.
I used to.
Dar acum nu mai fumez.
But I don't smoke anymore.
But I don't smoke anymore.
Vă deranjează dacă fumez?
Does it disturb you if I smoke?
Does it disturb you if I smoke?
Nu, absolut deloc.
No, absolutely not.
No, absolutely not.
Asta nu mă deranjează.
It doesn't disturb me.
It doesn't disturb me.
Beți ceva?
Will you drink something?
Will you drink something?
Un coniac?
A brandy?
A brandy?
Nu, mai bine o bere.
No, preferably a beer.
No, preferably a beer.
Călătoriți mult?
Do you travel a lot?
Do you travel a lot?
Da, de obicei sunt călătorii de afaceri.
Yes, mostly on business trips.
Yes, mostly on business trips.
Dar acum ne facem aici concediul.
But now we're on holiday.
But now we're on holiday.
Ce căldură!
It's so hot.
It's so hot.
Da, astăzi este chiar foarte cald.
Yes, today it's really hot.
Yes, today it's really hot.
Să mergem pe balcon.
Let's go to the balcony.
Let's go to the balcony.
Mâine facem aici o petrecere.
There's a party here tomorrow.
There's a party here tomorrow.
Veniți și dumneavoastră?
Are you also coming?
Are you also coming?
Da, și noi suntem invitați.
Yes, we've also been invited.
Yes, we've also been invited.
50 languages.
23.
23.
23.
Învățarea limbilor străine.
Learning foreign languages.
Learning foreign languages.
Unde ați învățat spaniola?
Where did you learn Spanish?
Where did you learn Spanish?
Știți și portugheza?
Can you also speak Portuguese?
Can you also speak Portuguese?
Da, și știu și ceva italiană.
Yes, and I also speak some Italian.
Yes, and I also speak some Italian.
Mi se pare că vorbiți foarte bine.
I think you speak very well.
I think you speak very well.
Limbile sunt foarte asemănătoare.
The languages are quite similar.
The languages are quite similar.
Le pot înțelege bine.
I can understand them well.
I can understand them well.
Dar să scrii și să vorbești este foarte greu.
But speaking and writing is difficult.
But speaking and writing is difficult.
Încă mai fac multe greșeli.
I still make many mistakes.
I still make many mistakes.
Vă rog să mă corectați întotdeauna.
Please correct me each time.
Please correct me each time.
Pronunția dumneavoastră este foarte bună.
Your pronunciation is very good.
Your pronunciation is very good.
Aveți un mic accent.
You only have a slight accent.
You only have a slight accent.
Se cunoaște de unde proveniți.
One can tell where you come from.
One can tell where you come from.
Care este limba dumneavoastră maternă?
What is your mother tongue?
What is your native language?
Faceți un curs de limbi?
Are you taking a language course?
Are you taking a language course?
Ce instrument de învățare utilizați?
Which textbook are you using?
Which textbook are you using?
În acest moment nu știu cum se numește.
I don't remember the name right now.
I don't remember the name right now.
Nu îmi amintesc titlul.
The title is not coming to me.
The title is not coming to me.
Asta am uitat.
I've forgotten it.
I've forgotten it.
50 languages.
24.
24.
24.
Întâlnire.
Appointment.
Appointment.
Ai pierdut autobuzul?
Did you miss the bus?
Did you miss the bus?
Te-am așteptat o jumătate de oră.
I waited for you for half an hour.
I waited for you for half an hour.
Nu ai telefonul mobil la tine?
Do you have a mobile with you?
Don't you have a mobile phone with you?
Să fii data viitoare punctual.
Be punctual next time.
Be punctual next time.
Să iei data viitoare un taxi.
Take a taxi next time.
Take a taxi next time.
Să iei data viitoare o umbrelă cu tine.
Take an umbrella with you next time.
Take an umbrella with you next time.
Mâine sunt liber.
I have the day off tomorrow.
I have the day off tomorrow.
Ne întâlnim mâine?
Shall we meet tomorrow?
Shall we meet tomorrow?
Îmi pare rău, dar mâine nu pot eu.
I'm sorry. I can't make it tomorrow.
I'm sorry. I can't make it tomorrow.
Ai planuri pentru weekendul acesta?
Do you already have plans for this weekend?
Do you already have plans for this weekend?
Sau ai deja o întâlnire?
Or do you already have an appointment?
Or do you already have an appointment?
Îți propun să ne întâlnim în weekend.
I suggest that we meet on the weekend.
I suggest that we meet on the weekend.
Facem un picnic?
Shall we have a picnic?
Shall we have a picnic?
Mergem la strand?
Shall we go to the beach?
Shall we go to the beach?
Mergem la munte?
Shall we go to the mountains?
Shall we go to the mountains?
Te iau de la birou.
I will pick you up at the office.
I will pick you up at the office.
Te iau de acasă.
I will pick you up at home.
I will pick you up at home.
Te iau din stația de autobuz.
I will pick you up at the bus stop.
I will pick you up at the bus stop.
50 languages.
25.
25.
25.
În oraș.
In the city.
In the city.
Vreau să merg la gară.
I would like to go to the station.
I would like to go to the station.
Vreau să merg la aeroport.
I would like to go to the airport.
I would like to go to the airport.
Vreau să merg în centrul orașului.
I would like to go to the city center.
I would like to go to the city center.
Cum ajung la gară?
How do I get to the station?
How do I get to the station?
Cum ajung la aeroport?
How do I get to the airport?
How do I get to the airport?
Cum ajung în centrul orașului?
How do I get to the city center?
How do I get to the city center?
Am nevoie de un taxi.
I need a taxi.
I need a taxi.
Am nevoie de o hartă.
I need a city map.
I need a city map.
Am nevoie de un hotel.
I need a hotel.
I need a hotel.
Vreau să închiriez o mașină.
I would like to rent a car.
I would like to rent a car.
Aici este cartea mea de credit.
Here is my credit card.
Here is my credit card.
Aici este permisul meu auto.
Here is my license.
Here is my license.
Ce este de văzut în oraș?
What is there to see in the city?
What is there to see in the city?
Mergeți în centrul istoric.
Go to the old city.
Go to the old city.
Faceți un tur al orașului.
Go on a city tour.
Go on a city tour.
Mergeți în port.
Go to the harbor.
Go to the harbor.
Faceți un tur al portului.
Go on a harbor tour.
Go on a harbor tour.
Ce obiective turistice mai există?
Are there any other places of interest?
Are there any other places of interest?
50 languages.
26.
26.
26.
În natură.
In nature.
In nature.
Vezi acolo turnul?
Do you see the tower there?
Do you see the tower there?
Vezi acolo muntele?
Do you see the mountain there?
Do you see the mountain there?
Vezi acolo satul?
Do you see the village there?
Do you see the village there?
Vezi acolo râul?
Do you see the river there?
Do you see the river there?
Vezi acolo podul?
Do you see the bridge there?
Do you see the bridge there?
Vezi acolo lacul?
Do you see the lake there?
Do you see the lake there?
Pasărea aceea îmi place.
I like that bird.
I like that bird.
Pomul acela îmi place.
I like that tree.
I like that tree.
Piatra aceea îmi place.
I like this stone.
I like this stone.
Parcul acela îmi place.
I like that park.
I like that park.
Grădina aceea îmi place.
I like that garden.
I like that garden.
Florile acelea îmi plac.
I like this flower.
I like this flower.
Mi se pare drăguț.
I find that pretty.
I find that pretty.
Mi se pare interesant.
I find that interesting.
I find that interesting.
Mi se pare foarte frumos.
I find that gorgeous.
I find that gorgeous.
Mi se pare urât.
I find that ugly.
I find that ugly.
Mi se pare plictisitor.
I find that boring.
I find that boring.
Mi se pare groaznic.
I find that terrible.
I find that terrible.
50 languages.
27.
27.
27.
În hotel, sosirea.
In the hotel. Arrival.
In the hotel. Arrival.
Aveți o cameră liberă?
Do you have a vacant room?
Do you have a vacant room?
Am rezervat o cameră.
I have booked a room.
I have booked a room.
Numele meu este Müller.
My name is Miller.
My name is Miller.
Am nevoie de o cameră single.
I need a single room.
I need a single room.
Am nevoie de o cameră dublă.
I need a double room.
I need a double room.
Cât costă camera pe noapte?
What does the room cost per night?
What does the room cost per night?
Vreau o cameră cu cadă.
I would like a room with a bathroom.
I would like a room with a bathroom.
Vreau o cameră cu duș.
I would like a room with a shower.
I would like a room with a shower.
Pot să văd camera?
Can I see the room?
Can I see the room?
Există aici un garaj?
Is there a garage here?
Is there a garage here?
Există aici un safe?
Is there a safe here?
Is there a safe here?
Există aici un fax?
Is there a fax machine here?
Is there a fax machine here?
Bine, iau camera.
Fine, I'll take the room.
Fine. I'll take the room.
Aici este cheia.
Here are the keys.
Here are the keys.
Aici este bagajul meu.
Here is my luggage.
Here is my luggage.
La ce oră se servește micul dejun?
What time do you serve breakfast?
What time do you serve breakfast?
La ce oră se servește prânzul?
What time do you serve lunch?
What time do you serve lunch?
La ce oră se servește cina?
What time do you serve dinner?
What time do you serve dinner?
50 languages.
28.
28.
28.
În hotel. Reclamații.
In the hotel. Complaints.
In the hotel. Complaints.
Dușul nu funcționează.
The shower isn't working.
The shower isn't working.
Nu este apă caldă.
There is no warm water.
There is no warm water.
Se poate repara?
Can you get it repaired?
Can you get it repaired?
Nu există telefon în cameră.
There's no telephone in the room.
There is no telephone in the room.
Nu există televizor în cameră.
There is no TV in the room.
There is no TV in the room.
Camera nu are balcon.
The room has no balcony.
The room has no balcony.
Camera este prea zgomotoasă.
The room is too noisy.
The room is too noisy.
Camera este prea mică.
The room is too small.
The room is too small.
Camera este prea întunecată.
The room is too dark.
The room is too dark.
Nu funcționează căldura.
The heater isn't working.
The heater isn't working.
Nu funcționează aerul condiționat.
The air conditioning isn't working.
The air conditioning isn't working.
Televizorul este stricat.
The TV isn't working.
The TV isn't working.
Asta nu îmi place.
I don't like that.
I don't like that.
Este prea scump.
That's too expensive.
That's too expensive.
Aveți și ceva mai ieftin?
Do you have anything cheaper?
Do you have anything cheaper?
Este pe aici prin apropiere un hotel pentru tineri?
Is there a youth hostel nearby?
Is there a youth hostel nearby?
Este pe aici prin apropiere o pensiune?
Is there a bed and breakfast nearby?
Is there a bed and breakfast nearby?
Este pe aici prin apropiere un restaurant?
Is there a restaurant nearby?
Is there a restaurant nearby?
Te rugăm să accesezi www.book2.de pentru a downloada cea mai recentă versiune și pentru a vedea textul.
50 languages.
29.
29.
29.
La restaurant 1.
At the restaurant 1.
At the restaurant 1.
Este liberă masa?
Is this table taken?
Is this table taken?
Îmi aduceți, vă rog, un meniu?
I would like the menu, please.
I would like the menu, please.
Ce-mi puteți recomanda?
What would you recommend?
What would you recommend?
Aș dori o bere.
I'd like a beer.
I'd like a beer.
Aș dori o apă minerală.
I'd like a mineral water.
I'd like a mineral water.
Aș dori un suc de portocale.
I'd like an orange juice.
I'd like an orange juice.
Aș dori o cafea.
I'd like a coffee.
I'd like a coffee.
Aș dori o cafea cu lapte.
I'd like a coffee with milk.
I'd like a coffee with milk.
Cu zahăr, vă rog.
With sugar, please.
With sugar, please.
Doresc un ceai.
I'd like a tea.
I'd like a tea.
Doresc un ceai cu lămâie.
I'd like a tea with lemon.
I'd like a tea with lemon.
Doresc un ceai cu lapte.
I'd like a tea with milk.
I'd like a tea with milk.
Aveți țigări?
Do you have cigarettes?
Do you have cigarettes?
Aveți o scrumieră?
Do you have an ashtray?
Do you have an ashtray?
Aveți foc?
Do you have a light?
Do you have a light?
Îmi lipsește o furculiță.
I'm missing a fork.
I'm missing a fork.
Îmi lipsește un cuțit.
I'm missing a knife.
I'm missing a knife.
Îmi lipsește o lingură.
I'm missing a spoon.
I'm missing a spoon.
50 languages.
30.
30.
30.
La restaurant. 2.
At the restaurant, 2.
At the restaurant. 2.
Un suc de mere, vă rog.
An apple juice, please.
An apple juice, please.
O limonadă, vă rog.
A lemonade, please.
A lemonade, please.
Un suc de roșii, vă rog.
A tomato juice, please.
A tomato juice, please.
Aș dori un pahar cu vin roșu.
I'd like a glass of red wine.
I'd like a glass of red wine.
Aș dori un pahar cu vin alb.
I'd like a glass of white wine.
I'd like a glass of white wine.
Aș dori o sticlă de șampanie.
I'd like a bottle of champagne.
I'd like a bottle of champagne.
Îți place peștele?
Do you like fish?
Do you like fish?
Îți place carnea de vită?
Do you like beef?
Do you like beef?
Îți place carnea de porc?
Do you like pork?
Do you like pork?
Aș dori ceva fără carne.
I'd like something without meat.
I'd like something without meat.
Aș dori un platou de legume.
I'd like some mixed vegetables.
I'd like some mixed vegetables.
Aș dori ceva ce nu durează mult.
I'd like something that won't take much time.
I'd like something that won't take much time.
Doriți cu orez?
Would you like that with rice?
Would you like that with rice?
Doriți cu paste?
Would you like that with pasta?
Would you like that with pasta?
Doriți cu cartofi?
Would you like that with potatoes?
Would you like that with potatoes?
Asta nu-mi place.
That doesn't taste good.
That doesn't taste good.
Mâncarea este rece.
The food is cold.
The food is cold.
Nu asta am comandat.
I didn't order this.
I didn't order this.